Edward Kiplagat will remain in police custody for 21 more days. And the two were arraigned before Eldoret Magistrate Cherono Kese, who allowed the police to hold the suspects to allow the police complete investigations. And the duo, a 30-year-old and a 25-year-old, are accused of being behind the killing of the athlete whose lifeless body was discovered in a car within Eldoret's Kimumu residential area on Sunday morning. Husna Mohammed with that story.
The two suspects in the murder of Kenyan-born Uganda athlete Edward Benjamin Kiplagat will remain in police custody for 21 more days to allow police to complete investigations. The suspects are David Echai Lochere, alias Timo, aged 30 years, and Peter Ushuru Khalumi, aged 24 years. The duo was arrested on January 1st, 2024 in Langas, Eldoret, and Kitale, Trans Nzoia County. Eldoret Court Magistrate Cherono Kese allowed an application by police to hold the suspects further when they appeared before her on Tuesday. Investigating Officer Inyasio Mwaniki asked the court to give them more time since a post-mortem for the deceased is yet to be conducted and a chemical analysis of the blood-stained clothes and a dagger knife, believed to be the murder weapon, is also yet to be presented before the government chemist for analysis.
The investigation is still ongoing, and it is in the best interest of justice that the respondents be held in custody for 21 days so as to facilitate comprehension of the investigation.
The lifeless body of the athlete Edward Kiplagat was discovered in a car within Eldoret's Kimumu residential area on Sunday morning. According to the Mweben Sub-County Police Commandant Stephen Okal, they received a message from the public that an accident had occurred and the officers visited the scene at about 5 a.m. on Sunday. Upon scrutiny, the officers found that a man was lying in the driver's seat and had been stabbed in his chest and had a deep cut on his neck. CCTV footage showing the last moments of the deceased and being pursued by the suspects has been released and could be used as evidence. Kiplagat has been training in Eldoret and its environment before heading to Uganda to complete its various competitions. The late Kiplagat has been taking part in local and international races for over 15 years.
I take careful consideration of the fact that the general welfare of the public is disturbed by the death of the deceased in this matter. The suspects will be held at Eldoret Central Police Station for 21 days. We mentioned the matter on 24th of January 2024 before court started.
His death is a blow to the athletes' fraternity. Several athletes have died under unclear circumstances in recent years. Agnes Tirop, a former world bronze medalist, was found dead in her Eton house in October 2021. The case is still in court. The same year, another international athlete, Hosea Mok Macharinyang, was found dead in his home in Murkujit, West Pokot. Husna Mohammed Hassan, KT News, Nairobi County.
What signals growing strained relations, neighboring Uganda has now dragged Kenya to court over fuel import row.